Alright, so let's say that Busy Dad wants to make some yogurt sauce or some tzatziki sauce, because I do. So this is super simple, right? Got a clove of garlic. Crush this. This one's hard. This one doesn't want to be crushed. Alright, backup plan. Peel it like that. Alright, so we're going to chop up this clove of garlic real fine. Real fine. Because this is going to get mixed all up in the yogurt. And so nobody wants to eat a huge piece of garlic. Okay, so this is chopped up. This is going in here. And then, the next step, which is pretty important, is on top of that, we're going to sprinkle some salt. The reason this is important is the salt is going to kind of dry out some of the liquid from the garlic, which is going to then make the yogurt we mix in taste like the garlic. So we'll let that sit for about 5 minutes, and we'll add our yogurt. Stir it around, maybe with some olive oil, and that's it. That's the basic recipe. You can add other stuff to this, chopped cucumbers, but this is really it. Yogurt sauce is one of the easiest things to make. I almost forgot. I want to put in some lemon juice. Alright, let's give this a taste. Tasty, tangy, garlicky, salty. Yes, that's pretty good. You will love this. This needs a little more salt. That's it for the yogurt garlic sauce. Enjoy.